Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are having a pedicure video. This pedicure, I have it for 1 month. As you know, if you are usually following my channel, you can see that I do pedicure monthly. And lasts pretty well. My nails didn't grow that long, but it is time. If you like my channel, please follow, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will know when I'm posting new videos. As well, check the links in the description below. You can find all the products that I'm using in my videos. So this is pedicure. We need to take off gel. If you want to see how I create this toe design, which is not so much of a design, it's very easy. I will link the video in the right corner of the screen at some point. I'm removing gel with fine grit drill bit ceramic at 10,000, 15,000 RPM speed, and carefully to not touch the natural nail. Toenails don't have any extension. I mean, they have only the base gel, so there is not too much layer protecting between natural and gel color. With this drill bit, I'm removing it very fast. There are different methods of removing gel. I think I've shown in some of my videos. If you look at the playlist, in pedicure playlist, you can see many videos where I did soak off and or removal and prep and design. I'm shortening up a little bit nails. I don't like them very short. If you watch my channel, you already know this, that I let a little bit of nail there. And I shape the nail straight with the nail file 100 by 180 grit. I use the 100 grit normally to file it, to shape it, sorry. The 100 grit is the fine one, the 180 is more coarse one. And I'm removing any dead skin, that is dry skin, that is under nail. There is a lot, because if I'm doing it monthly, I'm accumulating. I don't soak off every time, so I'm trying to do a dry pedicure. I'm pushing the cuticles a little bit. Anyway, I will use drill bit after, so it will be easier. There are as well different methods that I used for cuticle area, for toes, so as well you can see them in my playlist. I use this drill bit, you know it already, is from Stalex. The pointy one, oval one, diamond bit, fine grit. And with this I'm removing any dry skin and cuticle, making it easier to lift it up and cut it after that. The speed that I use is 5,000, 7,000 RPM. The speed of the drill machine is depending exclusively of the drill machine. You cannot use the same speed that I'm telling you. I have different drill machines, and for same cuticles I'm using different speeds with same drill bit. I'm letting also this part and I don't cut it usually, because if you want to see a full pedicure with pros and cons and with good and bad mistakes and everything, you can watch my videos. I don't cut the parts where it's taking me too long or I I made a mistake, so I let it like this because from mistakes we are learning. Now I'm a little bit out of the camera. The big toe has the most dry skin, always, for me at least. I'm using this bowl as well from Stalex, I got it, fine grit, diamond, to polish and remove any flakes left there. This, yeah, okay, this one, this cuticle nipper is just, I used this one many times before, so now I don't usually use it for cuticles. I use the Stalex one, but if there is any nail or something, I use it with an old clipper. I don't use the same clipper for cuticles for nails, toenails, or to cut a nail. It's not advisable. This dry skin that is here and is staying under my nail, that one is causing pain. If I'm pressing, many times it's pain. I'm sorry you cannot see because of my hand, but I still didn't find a position to video this pedicure, so it will be better for everyone. With toenails is like this. The more you cut, the more is like never ending. Just keep continuing. Because the skin is very dry on toes. And I wear a lot of open shoes, so that's why the skin is drier than normal. I am a little bit outside camera sometimes. I'm really sorry for this. I will try to pay attention more when I'm videoing. So I use the isopropyl alcohol and I remove any dust. Now I'm using Bond. And this is the first step before going to coloring and creating design, which will be very simple this time. I will do a French doll, but as a base I think I will use something pearlish. I'm using base coat, one coat, and I will cure it under LED lamp for 30 seconds. The base coat, I'm using a little bit thicker the layer, just to protect a bit more. Okay, I apply one coat of pearlish color. In fact, I applied, yeah, no, I apply from same polish, yes. I think on my other dough I mixed two. Yeah, this one is a little bit coral, orangey, pearlish, shimmery. It's fine. And now I'm using Born Pretty painting gel, white color, to do a little bit of French. The liners, the nail brushes, I got it from Shein. For Born Pretty, you can use my discount code in the description below. And you can check with my link, you can check all their products. I'm trying to do a French as much as I can. I like it. How it went out, I like it. I mean, what I'm doing on toes from the position that I have, I'm okay with it. From my height, when I'm looking to my toes, I like what I see. So I'm fine with it. If I put it that close, imperfections are there, but oh, what can I do? I'm using now, after I made all these lines and I cured, I'm using the 4-in-1 top coat from MShare. This you can find it MShare official store on AliExpress. As well, you can go through the link that I have. And I place some rhinestones. And this rhinestone speaker, also I have it from Shein. You can buy it from anywhere. I think I have it also on Amazon store, so you can find it there as well. It's very easy. I like it. It's beautiful. I place some rhinestones there, different sizes, in no particular order. I just choose a layout and I made same on both big toes. Top coat, one layer. I usually apply also on rhinestones, on rhinestones, because I like for these stones to stay until I have the next pedicure. And if I do like this, shine is not going and they are lasting. if I don't use the top coat over rhinestones, after 3, 4, 5 days, magically they disappear. So lesson learned. This is final look. I hope you like it. For me it's fine. As I said, with my height, when I'm looking down, I see something very nice. From here, I see something okay, which is more than fine for me. Now, if you like to create this look, please go ahead. It's very easy and it's so summer, so any season, all over, all year round. If you like this video, please hit the give a thumbs up, hit the notification bell so you know when I'm posting new videos. And I will see you in my next video. Check my TikTok account as well, beautifulforlove.nails. As well, all the links in description below. You can purchase items with discounts. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.